this is Mehmet, tropical guy. Today I will try to grow lemon from the seed. Before starting, I will ask to subscribe my channel and watch my other videos as well. I would really appreciate if you do it for me. So what we need to grow lemon from the seed is a lemon, knife, plastic wrap, water, plastic, and a pot filled with rich soil. Let's start. I start to cut my lemon from the sharp edge. You will see the actual seeds when you cut it. Be in mind that not all the seeds will germinate, so we need as many seeds as possible. I have dozens of seeds in my hands now. Since the lemon containing too much acid, I need to put these seeds into the water to get rid of this acidic layer. Now I put my seeds inside the glass. The glass filled with fresh water. Water will help me to get less acid seeds. So I will wait for some time, approximately 10 or 15 minutes is enough, I think. This process will increase the germination chance of the seeds. You may not have to follow this step, but it's up to you, but I strongly suggest to do this. I'll get my seeds. Finally, I have my seeds. Now I will put these seeds into the soil. I need to do some holes. You can do it with your finger, it's okay, like this. These holes shouldn't be deep, 2 or 3 centimeters is okay. I start put my seeds. Now I'll put water inside the pot. The pot should be well drained and seeds need rich soil. I water well. To speed germination process of subtropical and tropical plants, there is an ideal trick. That's plastic wrap and a plastic. I suggest you to cover your pot with a plastic wrap after putting water inside. So this plastic wrap will provide humid environment for the seeds to germinate fast. And to be sure, you can put a plastic and put your pot close to the heater, so the heater will provide the warm environment and the water will vaporize inside. At the end, you will have a seedling like this, and these seeds will sprout in 3 or 4 weeks. You have to wait for it, and after that you will have a seedling like this. It looks really nice. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and watch my other videos as well, and please write your comments below and I will reply them when I have time. Thank you.